Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. So I got, oh that is fun. This envelope is a little bit too small, so I do not need to really keep this envelope. Usually I may cut it. Oh, Gugu is having his fun time. Look at, did you hear him? Did you hear her? She's a little girl, kitten. Sorry, I'm a little bit clumsy today. So this one's still from, what is the company? Firmoo. Yes, Firmoo. And I don't know, from some times ago, they started to send me glasses. And this is actually the third pair of glasses they send me. I'm quite grateful, and it's for free. And so I decided, yeah, I should do a video. No, the condition is that I make a video of opening up and showing it. And today I didn't have makeup. Maybe I will not do a show of my face. And they always have, yeah, they send me 3 pairs, so they deserve a detailed look, right? These are small things, but actually I never use it because what I use is these reading glasses. I usually buy the one I am using right now. I got from Costco. It costs nothing, and if I do not get from Firmoo, from this company, I can still survive without spend much money because Costco is not expensive. But it's fancy to have something fun, right? And just a couple of days ago, I received an email from one of their person. They say you can get a free blue light block. Oh, this is pretty. Look at it. Oh, so I have chosen one. Oh, this is a blue light block, and I think it is something that that filter the blue light. I do not know how useful it is. Might be for working with computer, so it filters some of the light. But anyway, it's a decent reading glass. Let me see if it is good. Whoa, this is just perfect. A little bit large. How can I? This one a little bit large. Why it is large? Yeah, it's a little bit large, but it's very comfortable to wear on. And I say it's large is when you put on top of your head, this becomes loose. But if you put just wearing like this, it's okay. And another thing is that I really cannot complain anything. The reason is not because it's for free. It's because I don't have a nose, a high nose. My nose is too low, and that is my inborn problem. Isn't it pretty? Let me wear it if you can see. See if you can see it. You have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening. Isn't it pretty? And from this is the third pair. I love you. I really do. Do. Okay. So this is me without any makeup and without. I just came back from a swimming pool. I do not look good. I'm sorry, I do not do justice for these beautiful glasses. I love you, I really do.